Once you have your domain connected with Groove, but the domain is not managed within Groove, but on a different platform, like a different hosting or maybe Cloudflare, you still can create subdomains, but you will need to create a connection between the domain management platform and Groove manually. Let me just show you what this means. So as you can see here, in my case, I have connected the root domain, groovelemon.com, to Groove Pages, so I can publish out my pages, sites, and funnels. However, if I click into the Groove Pages app and I want to create a subdomain, let's just call it test. Now I created this subdomain, as you can see. However, if I would go now and publish out my pages to this domain, that wouldn't work because I need to manually create a CNAME record in the domain management platform in order to have Groove connected with my domain. So in this case, we need to follow this note. We need to create a CNAME record pointed to host10.groovepages.com so that this actual subdomain comes on live. So let's head over to Cloudflare where I manage my domains, and I will create a new record, which is going to be a CNAME record. And here as a name, I will going to be adding test. Whatever you decided to be the subdomain on here, this is going to be the name. And the target is going to be host10.groovepages.com, basically the address that Groove provides in this part of the screen. Once you're done, you can click the save button, and now we actually created a connection between Cloudflare, where the domain is managed, and Groove. So now if we go back and publish our page to this domain, test.groovelemon.com, that would work beautifully. This is the same scenario for GrooveSell. You just need to create a subdomain and then create CNAME records for this target if you're not using Cloudflare, or this target address if you're actually using Cloudflare. Okay. For each and every of the apps, we have a separate address that you can just click and follow. And with the same instruction, once you add a subdomain or actually a root domain, you need to manually create a record pointed to the address given to you by Groove. Once you're done, click the update button, and now you have your domain and subdomains connected to Groove with the manual method.